We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting, related and often mispronounced names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Now this name is very interesting because there are many different ways of pronouncing it. If you take Spanish, because it does exist in Spanish, that would be said as Julio, Julio. In Italian, it would be Julio, Julio. Now in English, this is simply said generally as Julio, Julio. The U coming down to a U sound, just like in Spanish or in Italian. Julio. It would be said in English or Julio or Julio. Really. And I think that's it. Now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there to learn more. Arrivederci.